Hello everyone and welcome back to the Paul Mitchell YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I got this really cute bridal and wedding season inspired look using some of my favorite Paul Mitchell products. So I'm first going to go in with a heat protectant. I'm using the Flexible Style Hot Off the Press Thermal Heat Protectant, and then I'm going to just simply section my hair half up, half down and pin it in place. So for this style, I'll be using my Paul Mitchell 3-in-1 curling wand, and I'm going to have the heat setting at 360 degrees. So I'm just going to be using my normal method of wrapping my hair around the barrel, allowing it to cool in the palm of my hand for about 10 seconds and then releasing. For this style, it's really important to allow the curl to cool in order to set in place because we want very defined, pretty waves. So I'm just going to continue that same method until I've completed my entire head. And there you have it, very pretty defined waves. And I'm just going to take my fingers to finger comb for this style. I'm not going to use a paddle brush as I normally do. And now I'm just going to finish it off with my bangs and just give my bangs some really pretty waves in the front as well. And of course, we cannot forget a finishing spray. For this style, I'll be using the Neuro Finish finishing spray just to lock in the style. And then again, I'll just be taking my fingers just to finger comb everything through and marry everything together. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check back, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all again next time. Bye guys.